Want to know how to create a code out of an idea in Claude? So if you have an idea but don't know how to code, you can use an AI for that, and Claude is a perfect one for coding. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your idea into a code using Claude. So let's get right into it. Now first things first is simply open up Claude AI and hit towards new chat on the top left side, and you should be under the chatbot right here. And now converting is super simple. You need to have your idea first. So I have an idea of building a web page. So what I should write is I should write what the web page is about, how to build it, and what to be in the web page. So you can just simply copy this prompt right here and just simply customize it as you want. So I have created this simple prompt for myself. So you can just simply copy up this prompt right here and then select enter. Now once that is done, it should create your code out of an idea. So that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.